This bird thinks he's the keeper of the seeds. He ate his fill. It's kind of cute to see how they put the seeds and swallow it. But he's deciding he's going to stay right there. See if anybody else dares to come around. Either that, or if he decides he's a little hungry, he's going to snack some more. Not sure. Kind of looking around. Anybody else coming? The keeper of the seeds. Wonder how close he'd let me get. Hey there, little birdie. You gonna share? Gotta get off the seeds to share. Oh, he's letting me get right there. I can't believe that. Taking a break? Got a full belly? You look like you got a full belly. I've been watching him just sit there and eat and everything, and I thought he'd take off. Hasn't taken off. I'm going to sit right there. Probably going to show the rest of the birds that it's okay, you can come this close. She's not coming after you. Cool. Yeah. Alright. Guess she ain't going nowheres. And don't care how close I get either. Alright, bye-bye.